that okay? I'm not getting up on the table, I'm not going to do it. There he is. You could just see this white t-shirt running across the back.
Can't believe that we actually got her. She loves like a dance, and like her favourite dance move is.
And that night, that was the best night of my life.
It's adorable, I love it. I actually want this in my house, to be honest.
I actually had an idea of getting every single Welsh shirt that I have and making it into like a bedding cover.
I've seen people do that and it's
and now
lovely.
I've seen this. Yeah, there's going to be a fight for this.
I slept in. I thought I haven't had a lie-in since past like 7 o'clock the whole time we've been here.
Yep, lucky.
Yeah, so I was just like, oh, you know what, I'm going to give myself a lie-in. And then I looked at the time and I thought, oh, I'm not going to rush for this. If I get there, I get there.
What did I do today? There was a golf competition actually, just outside, and I was watching a couple of them hit. A few went into the trees.
That's all right, it happens to the best of us, isn't it?
We are on the golf course as well, so it's really difficult because where we sit to eat looks out onto one of the tees, and we were laughing actually because my first tee shot, which didn't get videoed, came straight off the end of the drive, and I don't know how it happened, went 90 degrees to the right, straight into the tree. Never seen anything like it. But if I did that on this tee, it would hit everybody eating their food. So when somebody stood there, we are watching just in case that happens. I actually videoed this yesterday. Yeah. Honestly, it gets funnier the more you're watching.
It was her celebration that went along with it, I think, that made it.
The thing was, right, a couple of us were sat watching the game last night, and somebody told me that Rian was doing an interview at half time. So we were sat there watching the game. Yeah. Rian's still sat there. I'm thinking, what is she still doing there? So I went to Lois. I went, oh, Rian's got an interview at half time. And she went, no, she's not. Lois has got severe trust issues, clearly. Went round and asked everybody, went out to reception looking for them, couldn't find them. Went and asked security because she still didn't believe me. And they were just hiding round the corner. So she was like, right, okay. Came back inside and Grayo said, bet you £50 that you won't go behind her and do a golf swing whilst it was live. And I was like, you're not going to do that. She went, it's easy, £50. So then she did it, but she didn't do a golf swing. She just stood there and pointed at the camera and then ran off. And I was like, what are you doing?
It was the run as well, because she was like pure like, arms.
Honestly, it was the funniest thing. I've never sweated so much doing something like that. But yeah, we came back inside and it wasn't quite live. So, and then 2 minutes later it came on and everybody in there was screaming. It's on Lois's TikTok, so yeah. It was so dark as well.
It looked.
You could just see this white t-shirt running across the back.
It was hilarious.
Oh, it was brilliant. We like things light-hearted, not too serious.
No,
so.
never serious.
But when it is serious, we are on it.
Yeah, like we don't take the mick too much.
That's the best part, though. You got a good mix of both here. That's why everybody loves being Welsh.
Yeah.
I'm going to be watching the Wales game at home with my family. Come on, Wales!
Hello, we're from Carmarthen and we've just been to training. We're looking forward to come to Switzerland.
Good luck in the next few weeks. Honestly, so proud of your achievements to get there, and I can't wait to be there in person to watch you making history. Enjoy every moment and go for it. Come on, Cymru!
Pob lwc I tîm menywod Cymru sy'n dechrau taith nhw yn yr Euros yn erbyn yr Iseldiroedd, ni gyd tu ôl I chi ferched.
We're currently in our camper van in Luxembourg.
We're making our way down to Switzerland to join you ladies on Saturday. Woo!
Come on, Wales!
Come on, Wales!
Be confident, enjoy yourselves, and good luck.
Play as you know you can and have a great tournament. Pob luck Cymru.
Jimmy fan hyn, jyst neges cyflym I dymuno'r gorau I chi fel tîm yn erbyn yr Iseldiroedd yn y gêm agoriadol. Y tournament Ewropeaidd yn y Swistir, pob lwc.
We are all really proud of you.
Chi yw ein balchder! Amdani Cymru! Come on, Cymru!
Pob lwc Cymru! Pob lwc Cymru!
Leave the emotion to us. There'll be a tear in all of our eyes when we start playing Hen Raglan Hadder, of course, but for you, you know, just perform as we all know you can. And performance will take care of the results, obviously, and whatever happens, we're incredibly proud of you. But I know you want to do more, and we want you to do more, and we'll be singing and chanting and shouting and getting you over the line. So look forward to seeing you in Lucerne and St Gallen, and in the meantime, stay safe and well, and pob luck.
Oh, that was adorable.
Nice.
I love
Very
that.
nice. Did you see in one of the schools where someone threw something at the end?
That's definitely me in school.
We're one of the smallest countries and have sold third most tickets?
Yeah, third or second most tickets. Like, it's incredible.
Unreal. Credit to the media team.
Yeah, thank you all.
But yes, it's unbelievable. It's just the Welsh support, isn't it?
It's just the passion.
We love it.
We're very grateful, or like, I think I'm speaking for both of us when
Yeah,
we're both
can.
very grateful that we've had the support, not just from our people back at home, but from all of the physios, all the backroom staff here, and also all of our teammates here. Like, I think it's amazing to have such a supportive group that you were having a bad day in rehab and you know why you're pushing through. Like, you've got the people there to look up to, and yeah, I think it's just, can't believe that we actually got here.
I did my second ACL when you did your ankle.
Yeah, it was literally
like one day after each other.
Yeah, because I just remember being in like the ice bath, like putting my foot in the bath, and then the physios ran out to get Hannah. And I think it's one of them being injured, like, it's obviously not the best, like, it's a hard time for whoever goes through it, but I think it really puts everything into perspective. Like,
I think it helps. This sounds so strange, but actually it helps doing it at the same time as somebody else has an injury, because especially when you're friends as well, like, we checked in on each other.
Oh yeah, like
that.
non-stop. I just remember sending you motivational quotes.
You go through that and then you come back together and you make the Euro squad.
Yeah, look at us go. It's
Class.
been really been on
unreal.
like a rollercoaster, haven't we?
Been on a journey. I feel like you're a couple of years younger than me as well, so I feel like
she's been
take you
helping me
under
through,
my
to be
wing
fair.
a little bit. And
It really
I remember
has.
watching your game actually against France. Well, I think I was injured in my first ACL.
Oh yeah.
Esther had an absolute worldie against France, and I was sat at home, and I remember the group chat after, and it's gonna be like the whole tournament's gonna be unreal. But just for moments like that, seeing players that are still so young and things like that are just unbelievable. And we get to play on the biggest stage against the best teams in Europe and really put Wales on the map. So I can't wait.
I don't think I've told you this, but when you scored, like, I wish there was a reaction video of me, because like it actually made me so like emotional, and like I'm not even just saying it because I'm here, but like I was just like, what a journey you've been on.
I was
just like, I was just like, wow, like I'm so proud of you.
I think
was
to be
like,
fair,
wow.
quite a few like players came up to me after, and even staff too, to be fair, and was like, this is the why. So you always have like everything happens for a reason, and I'm like, well, tell me what the reason is then, because this keeps happening. And in that moment, I've said this so many times, like after it, and then come up and say it to you again, and you're like, okay, this was the reason. And if that is the reason, then I will 100% take it, because that's forever going down in history.
100%.
I'll never forget that day and that night. That was the best night of my life. Oh, so good. Gives me goosebumps thinking about it.
Best night of your life so far.
No, genuinely it was. It actually was.
To come now.
Oh yeah, 100%. Can't wait for Callum on his, what do you call him?
Harmonica.
Harmonica, yeah. If you ever interview Cal, he's got a secret talent.
But he's not that ashamed of or like hides, because I feel like
he goes, no, I'm not getting up on the table. I'm not going to do it. There he is, doing it. Already halfway up.
Okay, I'll do it.
He's already on the table, even though he's saying he's not getting up. But it's class. We love it. But
it is
again, it's just another thing of how together the group is, and you have all of the staff, all of the players, absolutely everybody involved in everything. And it's what makes it special. Like, you don't look back on a moment and think, oh, it's just players. Like,
it's everyone gets involved at all times, and it's amazing.
It's unreal. Our physios, I don't know if you can, this is mental, but Heidi told me last night she quit a job to be here. I'm just like, man, she's loving it. She absolutely loves it, but she's like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I couldn't miss it.
I think a lot of just physios are saying that as well, and it's just like, we're so grateful.
That is Welsh.
Yeah, like, just don't pass up on anything, like.
Yeah, like, you work so hard to get here, you don't want to miss the opportunity. And I think that's what we all feel, and it runs through players, staff, family, everybody's making sacrifices to be here, but when you hear something like that and you're like, oh, wow.
Yeah, my nan literally texted me last night. She was watching the like opening ceremony and that, and she was like, I'm so excited for you, like, just can't believe that you're there, like, I'm just absolutely, she literally said, like, I'm absolutely buzzing for you, just so proud of you, da da da. I was like, cute. Man. So she's loving it. She's going to be wearing a bucket hat.
My mum's stressing about my granddad. He's here for vibes, like, he's just turned 80. Bless. He's loving it. He asked me the other week, can you order me a shirt? Like, I can't do it, can you order me a shirt? I'll send you the money. I was like, oh, stop it. I can't wait for him to come out.
I bet he'll be the life and soul of the party, like,
yeah.
He'll be starting
He'll
all
be
the
having a
charts.
couple of bevs in his little Welsh shirt, singing all the songs. He loves in the choir as well, honestly.
My nan went to choir, but she got kicked out.
Why?
So her and her sister, so my nan's like a great character, right? But she's a character. And like their choir was doing like Man in the Mirror by Michael Jackson.
Oh my God, Howlin', what did she do?
And she loves like a dance, and like her favourite dance move is... So like her and her sister, like, you know, like the bit at the start where it's like, I'm gonna make a change. Gosh. Her and her sister are there like on the side just going, gonna make a change.
No.
So they got booted out of choir because they were a bit too loud.
Okay,
too much passion.
That's fair.
She's a great singer.
Yeah, wow,
So,
passion.
passion.
Well, is your nan coming out?
Nah, she isn't. But they would be
my
best.
granddad and your nan.
But they live quite close together though.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, so we'll hook them up, I reckon.
That can be another content thing. See, my mind's...
Media team. We really appreciate all the support from back home, and just want to do you proud. Like,
yeah, we'll keep doing them proud. Yeah. Keep supporting us. I don't even need to say that.
I was going to say it's never
in doubt, but it means so much and it never goes unnoticed. Oh, just like a nice little real cuddle. My granddad got me a pillow with it as well. It just says the word on it.
And my dog's also called Cwtsh.
Yeah,
and like she's the most like, she's Welsh as well.
Yeah.
So it makes sense. But like even like when I was out injured or stuff, like, you know, when you can't move, she would just come on the sofa and just like give me a Cwtsh.
Yeah.
So I'm like, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's lush.